How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be talking about hickeys. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So what I do with my hickey videos is I just find questions from subscribers on my comment section in my channel, and then I talk about that. So I probably get about 10 comments per day about hickeys. So I'm just gonna pick one and then we'll talk about it and then we'll see where that goes in the video. So basically this subscriber wants to know if you can get rid of a hickey. Again, most of the questions are how to get rid of a hickey using different stuff. This person wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey with a coin? Now, if you guys watch my channel, you'll know that this is the method that I recommend doing. This is by far the easiest way to get rid of a hickey in the fastest way possible. Now, some people, what they like to do is they like to use topical creams. They like to apply things to the hickey. All of this completely misses the point of a hickey. The reason or how to get rid of a hickey is to treat it in a scientific approach and to get rid of it using the science. So when we think about a hickey, what do we know about a hickey? A hickey, all it is a bruise. That's all a hickey is. It's nothing fancy. It's nothing that we don't know. A hickey is a bruise. And to get rid of a bruise, you need to create friction and rub it. By rubbing it, you create friction. By creating friction, you get increased blood flow. That is the way to get rid of bruises, is increased blood flow. So what we can do to get rid of that hickey is we just rub something on the hickey and that will instantly get rid of it. Now, people want to know the exact time to do this. Personally, when I got hickeys, I don't get hickeys anymore because I hate them. And I tell my wife, no hickeys. She tells me that too, no hickeys. The time that I have found that works on me is 2 minutes. Most of the people that I help on YouTube, I tell them 2 minutes, it works for them is 2 minutes. Some people may be a little bit resistant to hickeys, they may take 5 minutes. So all you do is you get the coin and you rub it on the area. Generally, hickeys are found on the neck, 90% of hickeys, and you just rub the area for 2 minutes straight. Put moderate amount of pressure. Don't put a ton of pressure, you'll hurt your neck. Don't put too little of pressure, you won't do anything. Moderate amount of pressure, don't hurt yourself. Do that for 2 minutes. If it doesn't work, try it for 5 minutes. Here's the thing, it's gonna leave a red mark. Your neck will be red. Let the redness go away. It'll take 5 to 10 minutes. Your hickey will be gone with the redness. End of story. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Thanks.